Hey guys, Artistic Kids here. So today we're going to be using code.org to make another project. So the project that we're going to be doing today is called Fly Me to Space. So let's get into our video. So the first thing we need to do, as usual, is set a background. And it's going to be a desert. Now we need to get our sprites ready. We want to make a boy at 200, and now we want to make a spaceship. Now we have to position these. So let's position the boy right here and the spaceship right over here. So now we have to use events as our setup is done. So we're going to events and use the when key pressed event. So we're going to keep it as up. Now what we do is go into behaviors and do sprite begins. So we want the boy to begin moving west. So we can just do that right here. So now let's just test it and see how it's like. So up. So as you can see, the boy is moving, but he's not getting to the spaceship. So in order to do that, we have to use an illusion again. We have to remove him so that it seems like he got in, but really he actually just got removed from the entire game. So as you can see, we got that ready there. Now let's run again and see what happens now. Okay. So as you can see, he's getting removed right away. And that's not what we want. So we have to put that over there. And what we actually have to do is, after moving west, we're going to have to do another one. And we just have to go into events again. Oh, sorry, not events. But as you can see, if we do it right here, he is actually just gonna get removed right away. And he's never gonna move west. So what we have to do is, we have to press up 2 times. So go into events, when up pressed, remove. And this time we don't want to do up, we want to do down. So as you can see, let's check this out, and down. So it looks like he actually got in. So as you can see, we have completed the boarding process. Now we have to make the spaceship fly into space. So what we're gonna have to do is take the when key pressed event again, and this time we'll do space. So when space pressed, we have to go into behaviors and then do sprite begins. And this time we want the spaceship. And then we go back into behaviors and we do moving north. After that, we go back into world and change the background to the galaxy. So as you can see, yep, right there. So let's test it out and see how it goes again now. So as you can see over there, and now space. Okay, as you can see, it's not really that normal, because the farther it goes, smaller it should get. So we're gonna have to use a trick now, and that trick is gonna be making it seem like it actually shrunk. So what we have to do is, we have to use behaviors now. So what we have to do is go up and get sprite begins. So we want the spaceship to begin shrinking. So we go back into behaviors, go down all the way down, and then we see shrinking. So let's see if it actually works. So up first, down, space. As you can see, we got everything that we want. First, we wanted the boy to get into the spaceship, and then the spaceship is traveling far away. So congratulations, you have made another project. I hope you check this out and do this for yourself as well. Bye! See you!